Hey everybody, how's it going? John Napolitano here with you on a Friday. I hope everybody survived this interesting week in the markets. I know I had a pretty good week. I just wanted to talk a little bit about one of the topics that I talked about earlier in the week, but I want to elaborate and expand on it a little bit. I had a video that I posted earlier in the week as to, from my experience as a trader for all these years, what are the attributes or qualities that a professional trader has, no matter what background you're from or what walk of life you're from, that they seem to have these common traits. And one of the common traits that I had mentioned was having conviction, with a combination of having humility to make changes dynamically throughout the week or days as the market changes. So I'm going to elaborate on that a little bit today. This won't be a very long video, but I was thinking about it a little bit earlier this week. And I think conviction is probably one of these strong things. And when people think of the word conviction, they might think of the word, having too much pride, or basically having an ego where they think they're right or something like that. That is not really what conviction is. Conviction is sticking to your game plan, sticking to your plan, no matter what noise is going on around you. And unfortunately, the stock market has a lot of noise. And when you're following markets, everybody has an opinion. When you're watching CNBC, everybody has an opinion. People love to listen to Jim Cramer and give advice about stocks and stuff like that. But to be honest with you, he's only one man. He's only one person. He's a smart man, but he's not necessarily a guru. And a lot of people who are new to this fall into that trap of following one or two people, and they just kind of listen to what they say or take every single trade they do, and that's it. So what we do here at Top Trading Pros is a little bit differently. What we do here, and what I love about our community, is that we teach you how to do this yourself. We give you a game plan and a roadmap for you to develop your own trade plan. And I think that is the most important thing. We kind of start to develop your own conviction. There's a lot of news out there this week. There's a lot of Fed speak. There was a lot of economic data that came out. We're at the end of earnings season, and basically there's been some mixed results. So there's always an expert online saying, oh, this is the bottom, or this, there's more pain to come, and so on and so forth. The bottom line is nobody knows anything. Nobody has a crystal ball. If somebody had a crystal ball, they'd be a multi-trillionaire. So my advice to you is this: develop your conviction by developing a plan. At toptradingpros.com, we give you that plan. We show you how to look at the markets from the top down, how to analyze the markets agnostically, where you're not, where you do develop a conviction and opinion, but based on what you see in front of you instead of what everybody's telling you on television. So that is the main difference. And I think that is why we have a great community of like-minded people like yourself, and that is why we're so successful. So without further ado, I just want to share one thing with you. I want to show you my screen here, and basically this is just a simple, a very simple chart of the S&P 500. And as you can see, this is yesterday's candle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, about a whole week's worth of activity right here. And as you'll notice, we really haven't done much. We haven't moved a whole heck of a lot. So how do you make money in an environment like this? You have to have conviction, but you also have to be realistic in the sense that, okay, the markets aren't giving me much right now. So as an options trader, to me, this is fantastic. I could put together all types of strategies that allow me to sit through this sideways kind of choppy environment until we decide to break further. Now, yesterday was a fantastic candle, so we might actually kind of bounce here off the 200-day, and maybe we will make new highs past this area of resistance up here. That hasn't happened yet, though. So as a trader, I have to take a look back and assess the markets realistically and say, I can't expect too much from this market. If the market starts to creep higher, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more bullish trades. I'm going to decide to have more conviction about the market and be more bullish. That hasn't happened yet. So right now I am kind of neutral to slightly bullish, I would say. And I've been that way for about a couple of weeks now, because obviously we've chopped around. So again, it's about having conviction. If I went on television right now, I would probably find a bunch of people that would tell me that the world is going to end tomorrow. And I would probably find a bunch of people that tell me that, oh, we're going to have a soft landing in the economy and everything is going to be great. So this is the whole thing about conviction. You, as an individual trader, have to develop your own style, your own routine, your own plan. Here at toptradingpros.com, we help you do that. Sign up for our boot camp. In my options program, we'll talk all about these different types of sideways strategies in different environments, different strategies you can implement in an environment like this that will help you be successful and consistent throughout whatever period the market is giving you. Follow us on YouTube at Top Trading Pros as well, and you'll see videos like this as well as other ones that will kind of set you on the right path. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. I just wanted to get that out there. Remember to have conviction with humility, but also have a plan. This way you don't have to listen to all the noise out there. You can drown out all those talking heads on CNBC. I have my computer on mute when I am trading, and I love the silence. I love the quiet, and I just love looking at charts and letting the market tell me what to do, not the other way around. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.